If your plants keep dying, even though you water them regularly, you're not alone. Most plant parents unknowingly overwater, which leads to root rot, the number one killer of houseplants. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to water your plants the right way so you can stop guessing and finally grow healthy, thriving houseplants. Overwatering is more dangerous than underwatering. Roots need oxygen to survive, and waterlogged soil suffocates them. Common signs of overwatering include yellowing leaves, mushy roots, slow growth, or soil that smells sour. The rule of thumb is to water deeply but less often. Water until it drains out the bottom, then wait until the soil dries before watering again. Before you commit to your watering schedule, check on your plant first. Stick your finger about 1 to 2 inches into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still damp, wait a day or two. You can also lift the pot. Light means dry. Heavy means it still has moisture. For moisture-loving plants like ferns, let the top inch dry. Now for succulents, you're going to want to wait until 2 to 3 inches are dry before adding more water. And a moisture meter can help with sensitive plants like orchids or peace lilies. Always water slowly and evenly around the base of the plant, not just in one spot. Water until it drains from the bottom of the pot. Drainage holes are essential because without them, standing water will rot your roots. And we don't want that. So for decorative pots without holes, water very lightly. When watering, use room temperature water. Cold water will shock the roots. If your tap water has chlorine or fluoride, let it sit overnight or use filtered water. Now rainwater is ideal for sensitive plants. Avoid extreme temperature swings as they stress your plant and can slow down the growth. Your watering routine should match your home environment. Bright, warm rooms dry out soil faster, while low light or cooler spots require less water. Seasonal changes matter too. Summer equals more frequent watering, winter equals less. Group humidity-loving plants like orchids together and consider pebble trays or humidifiers for tropical varieties. If your plant has root rot, don't panic. Gently remove the plant from the pot, trim off the soft or dark roots with sterilized scissors, and then repot in fresh, well-draining soil. Mix in perlite, pumice, or orchid bark. This will improve the drainage. Avoid fertilizing until the plant recovers. Repotting during active growth will encourage faster recovery. Once your plants are healthy again, the key to long-term success is observation. Every plant has its own rhythm. Some prefer drying out completely, while others thrive in consistent moisture. Watch for subtle signs. Drooping leaves can mean thirst, while yellowing often means too much water. Keep track of your watering habits in a notebook or a digital log to spot patterns. Over time, you'll intuitively know what each plant needs, and your collection will thank you with steady growth and vibrant color. Thanks for tuning in today, and best of luck on your houseplant journey.